videos, different ways of Buhari being presented to Nigerians. And you start wondering, how on earth did we intelligent Yoruba people accept this nonsense? How on earth will the others accept the nonsense? Let's listen to my visit to the clinic. This is another part of the London clinic, as you can see there, where President Muhammadu Buhari, the former president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, is currently receiving medical treatment on the Devonshire place. It is Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. As we see all the time, most of them, after destroying the country, run to UK for treatment when fully they could have fixed the healthcare sector in Nigeria.